Right, the system is done. So let me explain to you what we've installed on this solar power plant. So this is a 6 kilowatt solar system that we've installed in Mabuku. So apa chaisa not your 6 kilowatt day off-grid inverter, this one, and Azuma into, which is a very good inverter and it's cheap and affordable as well. So you can get this line kunevani wasina mari yakawanda wasina budget yakakura sterek. So we've coupled this with a lithium battery, day lithium battery model SEF5. So I like this lithium battery because it's 1C rated, current rating actually is 100 amps. So unokwanisa kudraw current yakawanda from this battery, but the disadvantage is that it is rated 80% DOD, depth of discharge. That's the only disadvantage I didn't chete, but this is a very good battery, get it. Then on the roof, we have installed a total of 4.96 kilowatt P of JA solar panels. So the production in my solar panels is very good because these are original solar panels that we've installed. So it's a total of 8 by 620 watts. And so we've coupled it to this system. And on the left side, that's the combiner box, PV combiner box, which consists of positive and negative fuse, then the DC breaker and the SPD. So this is the protection components, and the PV cables are coming on that left trunking ashipinda, so we don't mix with the AC. The AC are on the right combiner box. So that AC combiner box is consisting of my AC components achona, which includes in and out AVSs, right? Then on top we can see Guti we've installed an automatic changeover switch, which can be changed to manual as well. So you can shift it from automatic to manual. So the owner was saying, no, I want to use Zesa as my primary source. So I installed this for us. Then between the hybrid, the inverter and the battery, we've installed my DC fuses. And so these are rated 125 amp DC fuses, and my the fuse disconnect. Actually, this is what we call a fuse disconnect actually. So my fuses, they are quick to respond to short circuit. That's why I like my fuse. But you can also replace that with a DC MCCB. DC MCCB. It also works very well on this system. So we've done a job my cables from the trunking going to the inverter as I've exposed by using my flexible conduit and my flexible conduit glands. So this is the full system right here. So feel free to comment what yakamira say. But otherwise, if you want this system to be installed, inquire with us. The system is not that expensive. It's pretty affordable, and that inverter is 5-year warranty. Then the battery is also 5-year warranty. So now we are going to continue with remote monitoring this system and making sure it's always going to be healthy for the rest of its life. And that's the agreement we have had with the owner. So Truguti, we are to pay my quotation.